Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2013 Lexus LS 460 maintenance light reset. Now we're going to be using these two buttons over here, the trip button and the reset button. And we're going to be looking at that screen right there. Go ahead and turn on your car without starting. Okay, as you can see, we are on the ODO. Make sure you're on trip A up here. And to turn that to trip A, go ahead and press that trip button earlier and go find trip A just like that. Now when you get to trip A, go ahead and turn off your car, and now at the same time press and hold the reset button and turn your car back on without starting, and you should see the light blinkers running just like that. And it's complete. And that's how we do it, guys. Guys, make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.